Hello guys, today's our topic that how to we disable or enable window update automatic, means how to we can stop and start the window automatic update in window 11. So let's go, we start now. Now you push your window plus R key, then here one pop-up will be appear. Here you just write gp edit dot msc and enter hit or OK. Let's see. Now this one window is appeared here. You click here administrative template just here. Then go here and come to here, then click window component. Then go to down. Here window automatic update, click to here. Then come to here and manage update offer from window update, click here 2 times. Then the first is here enable option update, click double here. Then you will come to here, then you can here enable or disable. If you enabled, then your window will be automatic update when the Microsoft will be release the new update of the window. If disable, then your window will be not update automatically up to you not give to permission, and they will not show the any message to here. Then apply and OK here. This setting is the complete now. You can close to here and restart your computer and enjoy it. They will never automatic update to you. Okay.